Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit money into Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. To deposit into Polymarket, you need a crypto wallet, USDC, and the Polygon network. On your PC, open your browser and go to MetaMask. Create a wallet and write down your recovery phrase. This wallet will temporarily hold your money. Polymarket uses USDC, which is a digital version of the US dollar. Buy USDC from an exchange like Coinbase. From here, you can buy USDC. After buying USDC, send it to your MetaMask wallet. When using USDC, always choose the Polygon network, not Ethereum. Paste your MetaMask wallet address and confirm the transfer. Once the USDC arrives in MetaMask, open your browser and go to Polymarket and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on deposit, and from here connect wallet. Tap on MetaMask, enter how much USDC you want to deposit. MetaMask will pop up, click confirm, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Your money is now deposited into Polymarket and ready to use. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.